Every great idea needs a great website, and now Weebly for Android puts high-quality website creation right at your fingertips. Turning your tablet's touchscreen into a creative canvas with a fluid drag-and-drop experience that lets you easily design your site from start to publish. Every step of creating a site, from adding text and images, to managing pages, to tracking your success, is surprisingly intuitive. So whether you're at the top of a mountain, lounging on the couch, or working somewhere in between, Weebly for Android gives you more options than ever to start your own something with Weebly. What will you start?